Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Volkswagen Passat. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Volkswagen is a great value with less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 30 miles per gallon in the city, and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.